Imagine you are working on a project and suddenly remember you have an important task to complete. After a moment, a few more important tasks pops up and suddenly you are flooded with activities to complete.
This is noise. But what I am going to tell you is signal.
Signal is the top one or two things that you want to complete within a fixed amount of time, and anything that stops you from doing this task is noise. Let's take a quick example for this. We are assuming that you want to complete 2 chapters of accounting today. But then you remember that you have finance class tomorrow. So you want to complete that too. So now you have 2 tasks to complete. So how you are going to decide which task to complete first? Before we answer this question, let's look up our prime example, Steve Jobs. Steve Jobs used to have a pretty high signal to noise ratio. He had 80 signal, 20 noise. So when we are deciding which task to complete, we are going to identify our signal. Then reduce noise from that. Let's go back to the example again. To solve this, we are going to make a box of signal versus noise. Anything we want to complete is going to the signal column, and anything that is stopping us from achieving our goals is going to the noise column. Here, studying accounting is our signal and finance is noise here. We are going to put our 80% of time in accounting and then put 20% of time in finance. And that's how we can easily balance between our signal and noise. It is so important to increase our productivity.